Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm sharing my experience and my best tips for enjoying a perfect sunset cruise on the Mekong River in Luang Prabang. If you're planning a trip here, this is one of those experiences you just can't miss. And I'll help you make it easier, cheaper, and way more memorable. Now, there are two ways to do this. One, you can book a standalone sunset cruise, or two, you can join a full-day tour that includes the cruise as part of the itinerary. We went with the second option, and honestly, it's more cost-effective and more rewarding. But here's a key tip. If your tour includes a sunset cruise, make sure it's on the Mekong River, not the Namkan River. The Mekong views are on a whole different level. Our cruise started at the Pak U Caves, also called the Buddha Caves, about 30 kilometers north of Luang Prabang. From there, the river winds through some of the most stunning landscapes you'll see in Laos. The boats are slow, spacious, and comfortable, with covered seating, open sides for panoramic views, cushions to lie back on, and space for your snacks or drinks. The gentle waves and the soft hum of the engine set this super calming rhythm after a full day of exploring. We passed tiny riverside villages, fishermen casting nets from small wooden boats, lush green hills, towering cliffs, and the occasional passing boat heading the other way. These traditional long wooden boats are perfect for soaking it all in. The cruise lasts around 2 hours. And here's my little insider tip. Sit on the right-hand side if you want the best view of the sun dipping behind the mountains. Bring a light jacket or scarf. It can get breezy in the evenings. Sunglasses are especially useful in the first half when the sun is still bright. Luang Prabang sunsets are often most colorful about 15 to 20 minutes after the sun actually sets. Trust me, you don't want to miss those deep purples and golds. Most cruises also serve complimentary tea, coffee, beer, or cocktails, so you can sip while you watch the sky change. Our boat dropped us right near the night market, which is perfect. You can browse handicrafts, grab some coconut pancakes, or try grilled river fish fresh from the stalls. So, if you're in Luang Prabang, make time for the Mekong Sunset Cruise, whether it's part of a full-day tour or just an evening treat. It's not just a sunset, it's a whole atmosphere, a memory you'll carry long after you leave Laos. If you enjoyed this glimpse into sunset cruise on Mekong River, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.